young person sitting alone thinking about money. Serious face financial education equals smart money decisions person reading about money on laptop. Also called financial literacy person looking worried about bills, money skills decide your future person dreaming of freedom. City skyline financial freedom person walking away from office job, no boss, no stress. Financial confidence lottery winner celebrating sudden rich few years later broke 70% go bankrupt. Why? No education. Why people don't learn school classroom. No finance lesson schools don't teach money. Reason number 1. Bad advice parents saying money is evil, wrong mindset, debt is bad, cross sign. Truth, debt is a tool. Rich mentor teaching, learn from winners. Skiing example, visual comfort zone. Reason number 2. Comfort zone person afraid to act. Confidence creates money. Person visualizing success. See yourself rich first person stepping out of comfort zone. Bank, loan papers, risk is necessary. Confident walk, slow motion. Confidence equals power. Rule number 1. Invest smart. Rule number 1. Never invest blindly. Person reading before investing. Invest in yourself. Brain glowing animation. Learn skills. Business growth chart. Feed your business. Real estate building stock market screen. Rule number 2, DEBT. Rule number 2. Debt equals weapon. Bad debt warning sign. Student loan stress. Good debt equals income. Business started with loan. Debt paid, success. Rule number 3. Think rich. Rule number 3. Person dressing confidently. Think rich. Act confident. Person enjoying small luxuries. Upgrade skills, not fear. Rule number 4. Skills and assets.